SYN. Whoops, this one looks good. 73. All right. It looks like it's going to be full. We needed to get to 35.49. Are you going to go? Oh, yeah. 35.21. Okay. Beautiful. Looks like this is going, people. Let's go for SYN, people. Let's go for SYN. Let's put in $50. Let's not waste time. We got to get this one out. We bought it? I think we have. We have bought it. SYN looks like it's going to work. Hello, Wireless Beats. Nice to see you here. You are welcome. Yeah, so we are going to take this into our convert. Don't forget, nothing more than 2%. If possible. In fact, let me go check. How much did we buy it? $1. Nothing more than that. So SYN 49.89. Maybe we'll do 50.90 so that we can have it right off the bat, not wasting time getting straight into it. That's SYN, people. SYN. All right. So let's put in the max SYN. God, I love their logo. I think I've taken their trade before. The logo is really cool. Very lovely and beautiful. Let's put that in there. Oh yeah, let's see. 1.4. Let's see, what is it going to give us? Oh, that's a lot. 3.9 and 3.8. Okay, I think I'm good. 3.81. Okay, yeah, I said 50.90. I'm not going to do more than that. 50.90, guys. 50.90. I know why I'm doing this $1 max. I'm doing this so that we can be sure that it's going to be just right on the dot of 2%. Nothing more than that. Probably a little tiny bit. Hello, people. Thank you so much for joining. You are welcome to Income Strategies, where we are learning and we are taking trades. You are welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe and let us know what you think about these trades. Give us a like and let's know which of the coins you want us to analyze. Currently, we just took a trade with SYN and we're hoping that SYN will get up fast, people. Okay. Yeah, let's hope that and see quickly. How much did I buy this thing? How much did I buy it? 13521. Where are we currently? 13521. 135. Oh yeah, it's gone down a bit. Gone down a bit. Oh, let's wait and see how it will get that extra pump to go up. We have executed SYN. It's got executed. So let's go check how much we actually bought it. Let's do the quick simulations, and did I say simulations, estimations, and know what our profit margins are. So we bought SYN for $49.89, $49.89. So we're going to go quickly check. $49.89. That's practically $49.90, but let's just leave it at $49.89 that we have bought that, and we got it sold for how much? Let's go check the limit and check the history. We got it sold at $50.90. Remember, I told you I was just going to be very strict about doing a very, very minimalistic 2%. And this is even slightly more than 2%, right? But I just said, let me just work with that. So this is 50.90. So we have 49.89, just practically $1.01. Okay, let's go check this out in our calculator and see how that plays out. So what we have is 50.90, right, minus 49.89. So that we have $1.01. And with this is SYN, right? SYN, and we'll see this is slightly more than 2%, just slightly more. I just said whatever it is, we won't go beyond $1. So let's go ahead and see 49.89 times, I think this is 2.1. I know that's not up to 2.1, 2.05, 2.03. Yeah, 2.03% is just fine. 2.03% is what we got for SYN, which is not bad at all. It's 2%. We just want it to be exactly minimalistic 2%, nothing more than that, right? So that we can be sure that it will get executed. So